izule obvious nami usuqhaqela Movies yayona umbrella i-podcast enothando labantu thanda nokwazi ngohambo labantu hamba ngefaith futhi ayihambi ngesite kodwa mekumnyama iyayifaka
Sanibonani siyanamukela kwe-Creative Unplugged Podcast. Igama lami nguSihle Isibongo Wakandima aka Mhligo and niyazi-ke sengikhona angihambi ngedwa ngihamba no-Achild Africa.
Achild Africa welile kwaGumede.
Sister of the show.
Brother of the show.
Ayibo, but sister of the show.
Brother of the show.
Hey. Sayigcina ngengoma yethu.
Hey mfethu ngisayazi yangoma.
Kahle kufanele siyirecord.
Yazi ngicabanga lokho manje ngifila sengathi uyathiwa ngithebula ke manje. Thobula ama thoughts ami.
Yeah. Siphinde sibize khona ubhuto kafika la lo sashana ingoma nge-freestyler. Respect my brother ngiyayibona le video bayithanda ngendlela eyisimanga ku TikTok. La ngishayela khona isiginci.
Hey
yabo
ngiyakhumbula.
Izokunika ithemba nawo ngela ikunika amandla okuqhubeka la phambili
awuyakhumbula wo
uzoqhubeka
into emnandi ukuthi namhlanje khona futhi umunye uphethe isiginci
ngizwa ngifikelwa intokozo ngizwa ngifikelwa ukuvuka kwabaphansi ukuthi angithimule ngithi thima khosi siphethe omunye ubrother siphethe omunye umfowethu uMenzi. Welcome Menzi.
Sanibona.
Siyabamukela Rasta.
Thank you very much.
My king.
It's
Siyabamukela with-Creative Unplugged Podcast.
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
No, it's great. It's good to be here.
Yeah.
I'm excited, to be around here.
Mhlawumbe ukuthi manje ngifuna abantu bazi ukuthi esiphethe elinye iciko la elincinzayo njengoba ubone ephethe isiginci hlale iginci hlale sinazo ihleli lapha kodwa namhlanje siyabonga ukuthi usiphakamise udlale khona usisi lo uzakwethu azobona ukuthi sifundwa kanjani ngoba ufuna ukusifunda.
Okay. No. Intenhle kakhulu leyo.
Yeah. Mhlawumbe ungamupha ngisho ama lessons ngokuhamba kwesikhathi.
Ngempela. Into esinayenza leyo.
Sisacela ubazuyise nje into encane noma umucu before siqale nje namhlanje. Uthi ukusithi nje kancane.
Okay.
Mawuthi kuyaculeka uzucule. Ama-creatives ahlale nenhlanhla.
Hey.
Ilanga inyanga nezinkanyezi Ilanga inyanga nezinkanyezi Ilanga inyanga nezinkanyezi Ilanga inyanga nezinkanyezi ilanga
Yes sir. wasithatha wasifaka siyabonga bhuti.
Yes, sir.
Ngasibeka sizodlala kahle
Okay.
usigaxo lapha ukuze singasiphazamisi. Ngoba sifuna ukuthola ukuthi ubhuti umenzo ubhizi ngani kulezi insuku. Ngiyakhumbula lapha sixoxa engazothi ubuzoba nendlela ebhekelele Jozi. Yini obhizi ngayo kulezi insuku?
Kulezi insuku ngibhizi ngokuningi.
Yeah.
Busy with music. I'm recording my single.
Nice.
Engizoyirelease nje kulonyaka lona. Umoya khuluma.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm working on right now.
Nice.
And then later on we are doing Ilanga Inyanga Nezinkanyezi is an album.
Wow.
Yeah, in my tracks at least 7.
Yes.
You know that I'm working on. Yes, I am.
Nice. And then siyabona lapha ukuthi ube busy nangebusiness lakho lokudla. Ukudla okuhealthy, ukudla okwama veggie, ama fruits lapha. Sicela usitshele ngalokho before siqale nje. Ngoba ngiyabona into busy ngayo engakubona udlula lapha sifunda no green pepper. Nazo.
Yeah, no, I'm a chef actually.
Wow.
I'm a vegan
Nice.
chef. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm also by mbiza ngombuthi medicine man. Where I work with plant-based medicine and food to help people abana dietary ailments, you know, abasafarisha from different ailments are caused by diet.
Yeah.
So that guy who can prescribe food for you and also like create recipes.
Yes.
Yeah, using plant-based, you know, fruits and vegetables and herbs.
Yeah.
You know, so that's what I'm working with. My brand is called Exotica Africa.
Nice.
Yeah, and
Exotic Africa.
Exotica Africa.
Exotica.
Africa.
Yeah. No,
Child
it's
Africa.
Yeah.
rhyming. Exotica Africa.
Mm.
Yeah.
Nice, my
So
kid.
that's my brand. I'm pushing all vegan cuisines around the city. I do deliveries. I do markets as well.
Yeah.
I also do workshops. Called the health and wellness workshops. You
Yes.
know, where I'm teaching people about sugar, high blood, things and things. That
Yeah,
are,
man.
you know that
Things and
I'm
things.
matching our people in the community because you find that most of our, let's say, black people
Yeah,
are
man.
suffering from dietary ailments
Yeah.
through the colonial diet that we have embraced so much, you know,
Yeah.
and the things that we are eating every day. So it's vital for us to,
As you're reminding me of Dr. Sebi.
yeah.
You also I'm sure you've seen his works.
Yes, Dr. Sebi is one of the elders who really inspire me.
Yeah.
I read his books, I watch his videos,
Yeah.
I listen to him a lot because most of the stuff he's been saying in the past and revealing, we are using it now.
Yeah.
Most people right now, they are into soursop, you know. Everyone knows what soursop is.
Yeah.
And Dr. Sebi put us right there and say, no, guys, there's something
Yes.
that can heal cancer. You know, there it is, you know.
Yeah.
So if we really listen to our elders, there's a lot we can gain
Yeah.
that will help us, you know, in the future.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hey, bless man. Mhlawumbe uma ungasithatha usibuyisele back nje ekhaya imvelaphi yakho negama owaphiwa lona abazali bakho ukuthi siyazi ukuthi umenzi sengisholo isibongo usuka kephi nendawo imvelaphi.
Mina ngizalele la eThekwini eMlazi.
Oh, eMlazi.
eMlazi.
Okay.
Sing this call manje.
Okay.
Ngumbonambi
Umbonambi. Gabe nomlazi.
Umlazi J section.
Hayi bo
Yeah,
kahle.
yeah.
Ngasekhaya impela.
ubuze ngathi akangazi.
Hayi nangu umuntu.
Yeah.
Kumele sibe ne-score sheets manje
Nangu umuntu
yabo.
engikhadisayo njalo mase umuntu athi masho sinqanqa. Yabona ngifuna ukutshengisa homeland.
Yeah, umlazi. Yeah.
Kaje.
Mina
La ngikhulele khona.
ngizalwa umlamuli ozalwa uAfrika.
Okay.
uAfrika kaMthatheni, umthatheni kaYithomia.
Yeah.
uyiTommy yakaMakhosi.
My kid.
Yeah.
Nice.
So,
That's why
umsebenzi-
ngikubuza ukuthi Africa isibongo sami.
Yeah. Afrika umkhulu wami.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
ozala ubaba.
Yeah.
Manje i-consciousness ye-Afrika ngiyithole kuye. Ngoba ngifunde ukuthi shuthi leli gama enikezwe lona omkhulu babefuna ukuthi badlulise umyalezo kuthina
Yeah.
ngeAfrika ukuthi sifunde ngayo siyazi
Yeah.
singayikhohlwa.
Singayikhohlwa.
So njalo mesimbiza yena njengokuthi sibiza iAfrika uqokolwana.
Afrika.
Yeah.
So and then ke ubuciko lokhu ne-information uthe usemabangeni aphansi noma e-high school ubusuqalela uyiciko ukuba i-creative.
Yeah, ubuciko ngibuqale kudala kakhulu. Yeah, sidlala ngobumba,
Nice.
sibaza,
Yeah.
sidrawa, sidweba, sakha imoto zocingo.
Yes.
Yeah. Sakha neyikuta siginqike siwe sihozule.
Eish.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Kumnandi kuyinto esidlala ngayo. Thina
Yeah.
amathwezi sikhule singaweni singawathengelwa. So we made all the toys and we created all the games.
Yeah.
Kanti we didn't know ukuthi we were being artistic and training
Eish.
kuba ama-artist. So ngitheme ngikhula kwa ukuthi lento yenzeka natural through music.
Yeah.
Umusic ke esikoleni wangithatha wangibeka kulelo zinga lelo.
Yes.
Then I was able to go to university, get a bursary to study
nice.
music
Yeah.
and art. And
Wow.
ngaba nenhlanhla. And sure, after that I started traveling.
Yes.
Going to Johannesburg, and I've lived there for 20 years now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, ubunyamane.
Doing art and
Yeah.
and also traveling in Africa,
Yes.
learning and studying, growing in spirit.
Yeah.
Because I have understood in my journey that for me to be able to grow my artistic talent, I must grow spiritually. I must
Yeah.
ground myself that spiritually I must be strong so that my art will not die and it will keep on reproducing itself
Yeah.
like an ever living fountain. Yes.
Hey.
And then obviously you spoke about consciousness.
Yes.
When did you become awake or enlightened? How did that come about?
Actually, I can say that came about just from observing. As a child, you start observing. Yeah, you go around and you see things that really are like, upside down. And you always have an eye that, hey, that thing is like that. Can you see that? Athi omunye hayi angiyiboni lento kanje uthi imi kanje uyayibona athi yabo.
Yeah.
And somehow you even feel like engathi ngiyahlanya mangiyibona kanje this thing yabo. But this thing grows and grows up until when you start engaging in a journey.
Yeah.
You see, after matric, when they stop cutting your hair into a cheese scope,
Yeah.
and then you start
Your
to
antennas.
Then you start to realize something about yourself, and
Yeah.
when you start traveling as well, and when you have time to contemplate,
Yeah.
to really dig within yourself, having these questions that don't stop, because even the questions don't come from you. You are just sitting and observing, but questions they just spark from your mind.
Yeah.
Hey, what is making those heavens move like that? What is there? What is this? What is that?
Yeah.
And that inquiry
Yeah.
sparks more questions, and if you are like a person who really wants to find out, you start engaging on the journey of finding yourself, of discovery. Yes.
Nice.
I love this kind of conversations.
Yeah.
I love this kind of conversations.
Yeah.
Umuntu ke be deep. Now sometimes I just ngiyashanya. I mean saying I used to see things. But I think as we grow, I think I'm a creative as a maningi. We have the veil is lifted mostly to creatives, but sometimes abanye bethu we don't really nurture, we don't even know what it is. So a person who doesn't understand what enlightenment is or what that means, is there a way for you to see what that entails, Jay? A journey like that, because I know for sure I'm a creative maningi. Most of them have it. What this is.
Yes, it's first of all, it requires you to be ngati ungabi nakho kwesaba. First of all, because fear is your worst enemy in this journey. When you are afraid to step and to walk and to experience, then you will not learn. You will be like someone who is sitting and say they believe in something, but they have not experienced this thing. You know, so you become a believer if you have not experienced. So when you engage in experience, then you stop believing. Then you have the knowledge and the experience. Of the journey. So you must lose the fear and accept that everything that is going to happen is meant to happen.
It's meant.
You see. Because the journey is it unfolds itself. It's an unfolding of the spiral. You know, when the spiral is unfolding, you are like realizing. You are going through the time of realization and seeing things, and also making new observations and realities, because your mind is like that. Your mind observes again and again, and then it keeps on learning and studying. Sometimes 10 years ago, you believed in something, but through the experience and the journey that you have traveled, you have seen that no, your mind has come to realize that no, this thing is like this.
Ugcina usuthola ama-answer through experience.
So it's good for artists to travel the journey. And also don't go for the celebrity lifestyle, because that's what really destroys artists. We have gone, or we have believed so much in the celebrity life in such a way that we have forgot the essence of what we are doing, the reason and the purpose, the mission of what we are doing as artists.
Into esilethelwe yona emhlabeni sabantu nje basiphile. Purpose.
Injongo. Ninjongo yalobuciko lobu, yalo music, yalamagama lawo esiwashoyo ukuthi ichaza ukuthini ebantwini. Izeleni. Ngoba na music is a medicine of some sort.
It's a medicine.
You know. Uyelapha na music. Yabo uthinta la izandla engakwazi ukuthinta khona.
It's so crazy how words, especially like in our language, as vernacular language, especially in isiZulu ngoba yisona engisazi kahle. There's so many hidden things and words and meanings and solutions in our language. Ukuthi njengoba ulapha uyalapha, you never know, but that's what it meant, because obviously we all know ukuthi igama isiZulu, there's a lot of meanings behind that. There's a lot of meanings behind that.
Every time emagameni kuba nale incazelo efihlakele nencazelo evelile, wena uyitshela ukuthi iyona definition le, kanti abanye balichaza ngenye indlela lelo gama qinisile.
Kunomqondo ojulile ngaso sonke isikhathi egameni.
Ngifuna ukuthola la ukuthi are you in terms of la eThekwini, with the culture of Amarasta, is there any movement ekhona mhlambe which any pushayo noma which you are part of yona?
Yeah, no, like when I'm part of a movement, I, you know,
Ka-I.
yes,
Yeah.
all around it. I visit different,
Nice.
you know, brothers
Yeah.
and circles of I, you know. So, yeah, there
The
is,
circle, yeah.
there is a movement. Yeah, the movement
Yeah,
is big.
ngiyibone, yes.
Yeah.
Even with events, umuntu ojwayele ukuposta kakhulu uSis Melody.
Yeah.
Yawahamba impela, yeah.
Yes,
happens
So how no uzochaza uRust uthi the movement so kuba ama session niyakhuluma or kwesinye isikhathi kuba they play the music.
Okay.
Yeah.
kuba ama dance hall sessions.
Ooh.
Yeah, kuba music, live music,
Yeah.
reggae roots. Sometimes kube amabhingi sessions.
Yeah.
Yes, you know.
It normally takes place koNanda kanje ko
Yeah. Different places
Yes.
where
Just as I can take a guess. Konje ke bla. Cool running.
Yeah, Cool Runnings is long time
Long
ago.
time,
Yeah. But manje say hlile. Yeah. It's just even in the city. Kudingeka revival.
I-revival.
Yama spaces akanjalo
Yeah.
where people come and listen to reggae music.
Ooh,
Where
nice.
Rastas they gather, you know, and are having a space.
Yeah.
You see, that's what I'm working on.
Nice.
Also, Uti, to have an idle space where
Yeah.
people are able to come and enjoy like vegetarian and vegan food for Rastas around the city.
Yeah.
You know, so this movement is all about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's very informative and it's always touching and moving. Ineqiniso kakhulu inkolelo yamarasta ngeke ngibone kuneshow edlalwa umfowethu lapha kwinanda FM and then he is holding iculture ngendlela emassive ubrother ama artists amaningi reggae kunomfowethu nje osake samhosta la ehamba nalo mfowethu lo aphesheya ngiyathanda kanjani we kambubani ubrother
Ngamkhumbula. Yeah.
yeah so baku movement nabo and kune radio station okuyiyona
Yeah.
phusha
Yes,
umculo wereggae
yes.
yona movement engeke ngiyibone nje.
Yeah. No, umculo wereggae ngisho ngithi la eMzansi usuppressekile
Yeah.
in terms of being played out there. Yeah, there's lots of censorship when it comes to reggae music.
Yeah.
And maningi ama-artist reggae are good as well.
Wow.
But awayitholi platform. Yeah, ngenxa yokuthi the commercial part of music ayupromote umculo reggae. Yabo, even nasema-radioing, commercial radio stations, you hardly hear a reggae song.
Yes.
Apparently mawuzo Bob Marley, no
Yeah.
Lucky
Culture, no
Dube.
Peter Tosh. Yeah, yabo.
Yeah.
So kunaleyo imbalance.
Yeah,
when it
badlala
comes.
lo dumile kakhulu ngeke uzuze mhlawumbe kudlala uCapleton noma kudlala uSiza
Yeah,
noma
yeah,
kudlala
yeah.
Yazi,
yabo
the way the reggae community is so supportive to one another.
Yeah.
I don't think mina ngahluleka to create a platform for reggae artists. It can be radio, it can be a podcast, it can be anything media related. Just
Yeah.
create a space sane. And
Yeah.
then because you have places where you meet, because especially in Durban, South Africa as a whole, but especially in Durban, it's very hard to find a place where you can be heard commercially. So you create
Yeah.
your own space, and then they can always catch up later because create a little community, and there's always gonna be brands and institutions that find that see a space that they can penetrate to when masini is any movement.
Yeah,
Yabo.
yeah,
So I
yeah.
think because you guys already have that, you already have a community. It's just that it's not publicized because let's say Kampe, there hasn't been anyone, or maybe there isn't enough people who are taking initiative to create such spaces for yourselves first, and then invite the public, and then publicize it on social media platforms, and then trust and believe the people will follow along. Because there's
Yeah.
a lot of
For sure.
brands
Yeah,
that would
yeah,
love to
yeah.
partner. I also have vegan cuisine
Yes,
you're working
yeah,
on.
yeah.
So good to know you're partnering with Slampe, Robertson, Spices. I don't know if you use spices or not, but saying actually
Yeah,
you're
I
partnering
use
with
herbs.
certain aligned
Sure,
brands
sure.
that align with your. So Nje, I think Nam is a person who I feel like we haven't been giving a chance. about creating your own space or creating my own space has allowed me to now be in the public again. So I think you guys can do it.
Yeah.
No, we can.
Yeah,
It just
man.
needs more discipline and organization. You know, then we can be able to do it.
Because you guys
Yeah.
show up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
big time.
You guys
Big
show
time. Me, I was raised by culture. I listen to abantu abakwi-culture kakhulu, abo-Richie Spice. I
Yes.
listen to
Yeah.
Ojanine. The reggae is my comfort zone.
Yeah.
Whenever I want to
Yeah.
feel like umhligo, umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi yabo njengoba ngenza community work, it makes sense. It's the balance. It's hip hop. If it's not hip hop, it's reggae.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ngifuna sithathe sibuyisele lana ke kumsebenzi lo wenza lapha eBed Sense.
Okay.
Ukuthi
Yes.
uqale nini and unendawo lapha utholakala kanjani, usebenza kanjani eBed Sense?
At Center, I'm in a studio, art studio there.
Oh, nice.
Where I'm doing my
Yeah.
sculpture. Yeah, this is African sculpture.
Yes.
So ngilapana for 2 years now.
Mm.
Yeah, ngifike nje last year.
Okay.
Then I started working. I got that studio.
Yeah.
I'm creating a body of work.
Oh, nice. Yes.
Yeah.
Ngiyawubona umsebenzi.
Yes.
Kwayizona ubusy now.
Yeah. Yes.
This one, so pure.
So this work of mine is it comes from my grandfathers.
Oh.
Yeah. Njoba sombo nambi nje. Sabakhiwe emkhonto.
Yeah.
Babazi abantu ababebaza kudala babakha emkhonto. Mawukhumbula kahle emlandweni.
Yeah.
Umkhonto kaShaka weLembe wakhiwa uMabhodla.
Oh.
Yeah. Mabhodla bekumbona.
Umbona.
Yeah, ikwa kunane story sokuthi bakwakhiwa lo mkhonto kwahanjwa kanjani kwayiwa kuphi
Wow.
kwazilwa yabo ukuze lo mkhonto uzokwazi ukwakhiwa
Yeah.
abakwambonambi. So umsebenzi wami uhamba lapho.
Yeah.
Umsebenzi opreserve leyo ndlela yokwenza yokubaza
Yeah.
nama talent okhokho nomkhulu ba.
So nje uthatha isihlahla
Yeah.
and then sigcine si-image njengalento esiyibonayo.
Yeah, ngithatha isihlahla ngisilanda olwandle zonke lezihlahla nje ubuyibona nje ziqhamuka olwandle
Yeah.
from different parts of the country.
Yeah.
I travel all over the country to find the driftwood.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And then ngenza my images. I always see images on the tree. I always
Konje, what is it called? As I forget that.
Yeah.
Phela benze ngathi mhlambe leyo nto leyo, seeing faces in inanimate objects. Seeing faces is a certain condition. Kanti no,
yeah. Bazothi uyahlanya.
Yeah.
Yes. Yabo. So omunye umuntu ungathi uma umtshela leyo nto mhlawumbe athi hey no hayi ngathi something is wrong. Akuvalele somewhere, you know. Yeah, but through this there is a time when I decided to no, let me start working and then you know and focus on this art because it comes from far. It's not just for me. Iyona nto ebingihlupha through the years up until I said no, hey, let me sit on it and focus on it.
Yeah. So masuwenzela umsebenzi utholakala kanjani?
Umsebenzi utholakala kumina kwamanje because angikabi nayo igallery agent. Engidayiselayo umsebenzi. So ngixhumana nami direct and ngiyakwazi ukuthi sixoxe. But uyakwazi ukuthola futhi kwamanye galleries around the country. You know, in Durban, last month I just was honored with an Art Merit Award from the KZNSA Gallery.
Oh,
you know,
nice. KZN Art Gallery. eThekwini eyasebenza ngiyabona umsebenzi iphusha kakhulu. Oh, nice.
Yeah. So that has been really like an honor and like a boost.
Yes.
Towards my inspiration, you know, and
yeah,
I'm working hard to produce more work. Because it's being recognized. Yes, which is the most important thing for what we are doing. Yeah.
It's called pareidolia.
Pareidolia.
Yes.
Okay.
When you see, let's say,
Yeah.
upendeni,
Okay.
I like the fact that you're still keeping African culture alive, because as Africans, we are spiritually inclined, even if like it's people say to less, to see things beyond the veil. And I feel like the Western people have tried to diagnose it for being awake. So ukuthi uma ukuthi mhlambe uyaphupha and dream izinto mhlambe ubona izinto ey'ngekho, they say it's schizophrenia, right? Or hearing voices that when are you actually inclined. So I think it's good to keep the culture alive and not demonize having such gifts.
For sure, you find that the Western vocabulary and the African vocab is not the same. So we normally use the Western vocab in African conditions, where you find ukuthi isn't like when the example but is schizophrenia.
Yeah.
But you find this person has an awakening.
Yeah.
Khona into esparkayo in his mind. But because the Western vocab doesn't have the capacity to deal with this or to define this condition, so they will put injections. They will inject this person with imjovo esindayo. Masiba aware sangasakwazi nokukhuluma abambeke laphana. Kanti this person mhlambe kube buzomshunqisela something.
They're connected.
Because within each and every one of us there is an ancient spirit that is there, that is lying there, you know, and somewhere in our lives, in our journey, it awakens. It comes and reminds us of who we are.
Shout out to Professor Luvuyo. I studied psychology at KZN, and schizophrenia, they called it Amafufunyani. So now he developed a whole module for African psychology. Where he now interlinks clinical psychology ne African spirituality. Where it's like lo muntu akadingi ukuyofaka institution, lo muntu kahle kahle lo akayona psychology ngicabanga, because there's a thin line between mental health and awakening. Sometimes if you're not African, you don't really know what it is. So shout out to people that are doing that kind of work. And
nice.
Bless it.
Yeah.
For real.
Like before sivale bengicabanga indaba yokudla lokho, because ngino colleague bami laphana ababuye bathenga uphaya. Wena lapha tholakala kanjani? Ngeke awuhleshulele lethu njani ugulethe wangishanga uphaya wenze oyena uRasta.
No, uphaya is very famous.
Ubuya ephaya u20 rand and ulapha ku chef la next door unekhishi. Utholakala kumina. Right now I'm the one who's distributing. I'm doing deliveries around town.
Do you have spinach and feta?
Yes, I've got spinach and then potato. I've got vegan pepper steak. You know. And also have a mushroom pie. Yes. Nice. So I also make smoothies, health juices. So that's my cuisine. I'm just introducing because I realized that as a creative, for us to sustain what we are doing, we need to be entrepreneurs. We need to have businesses that can be able to help us sustain our work while our work is in the process of being created, you know. So that we won't stop working and go and look for a 9 to 5 somewhere.
Yazi mina qade ngifuna umbuzo lo mbuzo lo. Bese uqoka sobani?
Because
I like that. Is it a kimono?
No, it's like a poncho. I make this.
Poncho.
You
make them.
Yes,
nice.
I create this. Also, I also make clothes. Yeah,
Oh,
for
I like
myself.
this.
Yeah,
This is my
Yeah.
vibe. Mina ngifana netable
Bra,
there.
imnandi.
yes,
ne?
I
Yeah,
also
I know
make clothes
so.
for myself
Yeah.
because I'm inspired by my name called Umenzi.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
Umenzi wezinto.
amazing.
Yeah, so Umenzi wezinto is like a spirit that makes things in each and every time and every moment.
Yeah,
There's something
yeah,
that is
yeah.
being made.
Excited.
Eish.
Yeah.
Hey, kwazi kwamnandi ukuhlala nawe namhlanje. Ngithembe nabantu abasibukele like i-information nezinto ozenzayo zizobakhulisa, ibabukise, ibanyukise. Yo.
So
Yeah.
ngiyabona ukuthi ufuna ukuvala yabo. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani nama flutes lawo.
Oh, amafluthi lawa. Yes. These I make these as well. Yeah.
I used to play a flute in primary sengikhohliwe uyidlala.
Yeah.
Yo. Wow.
Ngathi ngizothi iyanto kuwenga.
Yeah.
Ukubona emovie lama movie amashaya.
Mina ngicabanga
Iwona music usebenzayo.
This is my favorite cartoon ever. Avatar, the last Airbender.
Oh, yes. The last Airbender. Yeah.
So it sounded the same noma ehlukile kunale end.
No,
Wena vele
ihlukile
ngasho
kunale.
ibhobo.
Okay, ithini isound yalapha?
Nana, okay, it's
Mnandi kakhulu.
Mfana ngiyabona ukuthi yeah, you're really like an all-rounded spiritual creative person because are you wearing copper bracelets as well, which you can explain because I indulge. I indulge. I mean, like I
And
know-
endajwa ngiyakuzwa
Yeah,
ngalapha khona
Hey,
wazi wonke.
yeah, I see you
yeah.
wearing copper.
Uyingane yema-Afrika
Yeah,
ngempela.
I mean, I've been
Yeah,
indulge.
yeah.
Wathi Charity ngempela Afrika.
Copper is our ancient medicine of the bones as well. You know, it's our ancient ngathi jewelry from our forefathers, our
Yes.
ancestors.
Yes.
So when you go all around Africa, you will find people wearing copper.
Yes.
It heals your bones. It protects you against negative energy.
Yes.
Yeah, so ithusi ingakho kuthiwa ithusi
Yeah.
ngoba liyakusiza. Yeah, into ekusiza. Insimbi works differently because insimbi is for
War.
ukulwa
Yeah.
yabo something else,
Yeah.
but ithusi iyakusiza, is helping you, is
Also, like,
protect you.
I'm sure you drink from copper. Do you drink from copper as well?
Yeah, I have a copper class. Yeah.
Hayi
You know.
siyabonga kakhulu. Mabekudinga bakuthola kephi nendawo mabekudinga enkundleni zokuxhumana.
Ma bengidinga ngikhona lapha einkundleni Umenzi Mbonambi on Facebook. Yeah, I'm there even on Instagram Umenzi wezinto.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you check Umenzi wezinto 1.
Nice.
Then
I'm gonna go follow you now.
Yeah, and also you can also check Exotica Africa
Nice.
And you will follow. You can find out what we are doing in terms of the food and we also do mountain hikes with the youth, you know, where we go out to the mountain and we detox the city life, we detox the township out of our minds. We meditate and we take walks there, you know, and eat vegetarian food, you know. So yeah. Check me out on those spaces.
Nice.
I'll be there probably on the next
Siyabonga.
hike. I've been craving a hike.
All right.
For sure.
Uzoya ngempela?
Yeah, for sure. Hopefully,
Yeah.
align.
That would be
But I've
great.
been-
Yeah.
Even my status of Kampala, say I'm craving a hike. Yeah.
Okay,
Tholakala-
wena mina osuqale mina this time. Ngiyatholakala ku wonke ama social media platform ngaphandle kwelento njani. Yini le
Ngikho kuyona, TikTok,
ngikhona ku TikTok, ngikhona ku Insta. Khona le
X.
ebuyiwe nezinto zabantu abadala.
yini le? Oyithinda?
Yini kabi sengayikhohlwa ngikhohlwa le tuyane le.
Angiyazi.
Uyazi kahle. Angithi kufika kube TikTok, kube Instagram, kube uFacebook,
Facebook.
mase kuba
YouTube.
YouTube and then khona
X.
le
Twitter.
Twitter.
It's X now. It's called X.
So X.
Yes.
Hayi
Yo.
sikho ke lapha. Ngeke uzosithole usihla kandima AKM Hligo wonke umuntu uyangazi, mongangazi usuyangazi njengamanje.
Mina-ke ku-X, ku-TikTok, ku-Instagram, ku-Threads, Facebook, YouTube. I'm at Artchild Africa and also natholakala nathi as the Creatives Unplugged podcast.
Nazo.
Everywhere.
Yes, siyabonga kakhulu brother, siyabonga but Menzi Mbonambe ukuthi ube nathi kwi Creative Unplugged podcast esibekwe intokozo enkulu.
My lord, ngiyabonga nami kakhulu kuba like I really enjoyed myself, guys.
Yeah.
Keep up the good work, you know.
Siyabonga, King.
It's really amazing.
Sophuma ngeperformance ke ingoma ozosiperformela yona namhlanje ibizwa ngokuthiwa yini?
Ingoma engizoyiperforma ile ethi umoya uxoxa indaba.
Umoya oxoxa indaba.
Yeah.
Hayi asivaleliseni bafowethu.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Siyabonga.
zelanga nabihlathi emithi sakuvungama abumoya uyavuma ekuqaleni akungumoya wayezulazula ezintabe owadala akungumoya ezintabeni akungumoya emafini wayekhuluma wayekhuluma moya xoxa indaba moya uyakhuluma moya uyathetha moya konke akuphilayo ngumoya 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 konke akuphilayo ngumoya moya xoxa indaba moya yakhuluma moya
izoba khona, izoba khona. Wathi kukho konke akuphila yo izoba khona enkazimulweni kwakungumoya emfihlakalweni owayekhuluma owayedala amba ejala kwakungu